भारत में एक नहीं, दो नहीं, तीन वैक्सीन उसके टेस्टिंग के अलग अलग चरण में है.
As COVID-19 cases continue to surge in India, scientists are making an all-out effort to develop a vaccine as soon as possible.
देश के हमारे वैज्ञानिकों की प्रतिभा एक ऋषि मुनि की तरह लेबोरेटरी में जी जान से जुटे हुए हैं, अखंड एक निष्ठ तपस्या कर रहे हैं, बड़ी कड़ी मेहनत कर रहे हैं और भारत में एक नहीं, दो नहीं, तीन वैक्सीन उसके टेस्टिंग के अलग अलग चरण में है.
Here's all you need to know about the vaccines being developed in India. The first candidate is Covaxin, developed by Bharat Biotech, Indian Council of Medical Research and the National Institute of Virology. It is presently at phase 2 stage of clinical human trials. Another vaccine developed by Ahmedabad-based Zydus Cadila has also entered phase 2 of clinical human trials. Meanwhile, the Serum Institute of India has received nod to start phase 2 and 3 human clinical trials of the vaccine candidate developed by University of Oxford and AstraZeneca. So who will get the vaccine first after it's ready? Union Minister of State for Health recently said, and I quote, "Our scientists are working very hard on it. 3 vaccines against COVID-19 are in various stages of testing. And if we do succeed in getting a vaccine, our COVID warriors will be the first one to receive the dose." SII earlier said that the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation will provide at-risk funding of $150 million to manufacture 100 million doses. Under this agreement, SII can charge a maximum of $3 per dose for the 2 COVID-19 vaccines. That is approximately about Rs 225 in Indian currency. However, when asked later, SII CEO Adar Poonawalla said that the vaccine price is difficult to predict at this point, but would likely be under Rs 1,000.